general right to repair rule. I'll reserve my time for questions from any of you on any of what I said. Thank you very, very much.
Okay, who's next? This slide.
Hi, good afternoon, Chair and members of the committee. My name is Lisa McCabe, and I'm with CTIA, the Trade Association for the Wireless Communications Industry. In opposition to this bill, the marketplace already provides consumers with a broad range of choice when it comes to electronic repair. For example, manufacturers have relationships with authorized repair providers. These providers, which also include local and small businesses, have received the appropriate training from the manufacturers and have the qualifications to make sure that these repairs are done properly and safely. It also ensures brand loyalty. Manufacturers value brand loyalty and want to make sure that the device works throughout the life of the product, and they use authorized to repair to ensure that those repairs are done exactly to the specifications of the manufacturer. Providers also, in addition to authorized repair, manufacturers offer walk-in at retail as well as mail-in services for repair. And in some cases, insurance providers offer remote third-party technicians who will come to the consumer to perform a repair. And as was mentioned earlier, consumers can use independent repair today. They have that option, as you heard from many of the prior testifiers. But there are concerns that with this bill, if anyone, any independent provider, anyone who is not certified, who does not have the specific training from the manufacturer, they could have the technical information, but without specific training, they could cause problems with an electronic device. For example, they could cause antenna performance problems, whereas a call wouldn't go through, or could cause undue stress on the frame of a device, which could make it so that it would more easily break when dropped.
Could I butt in and ask you
Sure.
this? If I were trying to repair my own device that I bought and paid for, and if I destroy something on it, that's my problem, isn't it?
Yes.
So I would need the manufacturer to protect me from myself if I decided I wanted to self-repair.
No. But we like to make sure that the device is performing properly and that the manufacturer can guarantee the life of that device.
But it does give you horizontal monopoly over what you sold me. If only you could repair, even if I did have the capability to do it myself.
All manufacturers offer authorized repair program in which an independent repair could become an authorized repair provider and get that training.
The kind of a monopoly.
Well, we
you
like
manufacture, you sell, you authorize the people that can repair, and I bought it, but I'm kind of a slave to your operation.
But we want to guarantee that the product continues to work, and so as we have a relationship with people we trust to make sure that those repairs are done properly.
But once I buy it, I should be able to deal with people that I trust.
And you can today, yes.
Okay. All right. Did we hear from everybody? No, we didn't hear from you. Thanks.
My name is Morris Gladhill, and thank you for having us here and sticking with us late today. I'm the John Deere dealer in Frederick, Maryland. My family has held a John Deere dealer agreement since 1937, over 80 years. I believe that bringing the farm equipment industry into this legislation is unnecessary. John Deere certainly supports the right of our customers to repair their own equipment, and we work with those rights every day. For those individuals, those customers, those repair shops that want